What's going on, guys? So this is a snowboarding vlog. I know I've been wanting to do one all winter, but not that many people have been making it up to the mountain, but the boys are driving up. I'm driving myself. It's 53 degrees out, so it's going to be a nice warm slush day, and hopefully we get tomorrow too. But yep, I fucked up. I didn't listen to the GPS. It said it was only like a 8-minute difference, but yep, I took the Cross Bronx and I'm fucked. So I'll keep you guys posted. Let's go. All right, so there's snow on the trail. It is currently 55 degrees out. This trail's not looking too great, but we're gonna make the best of what we got. Over 3 hours later, but I made it. The boys are like 5 minutes behind me. There is snow, not much, but the trails are looking all right, decent enough. And it's like, I'm in a t-shirt right now. Beautiful. John!
I got glass bottles over here.
What's up, brother?
Did you bring the goggles?
No.
You're not gonna need them.
I was gonna have to drink a Guinness at some point.
I'm not drinking a Guinness.
I probably won't either.
Drinking a Guinness. He goes, I'm not drinking a Guinness.
Yeah, buddy.
The end. This is the finale of the season. I'm gonna wait at the forks for you. We're gonna go like the same way we used to go.
Oh. Actually, I probably should.
Here we go, boys. Gonna give us a tee back?
Yeah, I love it.
All right, here we
Let's
go.
fucking go.
All right, wait.
We got another switcheroo.
After this guy.
Another switcheroo.
1, 2, 3.
Let's fucking go. Woo!
This is bad.
Alright, yo.
Yeah, go slow. Whole jersey. Signed?
Signed by PK Subban.
But yo, how old is the dog?
What do we got? We got some low ones. We got 2 yellows, and that's a red.
Place $4 wager.
Yeah, it's an animal.
Just get to like 1.8, you know?
2. No, you gotta get.
You don't
to
get
2.
greedy.
Don't get greedy with 2. You got this, Aaron.
I'm going to 2. Fuck it.
Bail.
Dude, bail.
It's not
There we go.
Oh, you
thank
got
God,
it. There
dude.
we go.
Let's see a lot more.
Yeah, but yo.
Whatever, dude. It's better to fucking win than not.
That game's crazy.
Nice.
Ace. 14. Soft 14. Hit it. Soft.
I don't believe it. Today would be nice. Yes. Attaboy. Let's go. Yo, the snow's still coming down.
I'm telling you, yo, we got to ride. Look how perfect this is. We never get this late in the season. Day 2.
Let's fucking go. Yeah. Well, yo, what you got? What you got there?
We got 2 for 7 pirogues.
If Song Yadong is smart, he wrestles the whole fucking first round.
Oh, I went against Yadong. I bet on the other guy.
Dude, honestly, it's not.
I just put a few bucks. Make it interesting. How we doing, Nikki?
So the first thing that I thought
Let's see.
is kicking the body.
We'll wait until it
Let's
hits
get
2.
one full game on camera here.
One full game, baby. Let's go.
What are you
When are we backing out? When are we
When
backing
do you
out?
wanna back out?
2.
2.2.
2.0.
Yeah, I saw it as soon as
2.2.
Thank God it landed.
I'm out.
All right.
2.4.
All right.
Was it 2.4? Look at it. What does it say in the green?
2.04.
What's it going?
Yeah.
All right, we got out.
All right, we got some money.
All right, so the boys left doing a solo Sunday. It's just beautiful out. So I know next weekend's probably the last weekend. Just gonna be riding all day. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching the vlog. I hope this was entertaining, and I'll see you in the next video.